Debora Hmičel, kozmetična terapevtka z več kot 25-letnimi izkušnjami, je v Slovenijo priletela naravnost iz Buckinghamske palače, saj je ena redkih, ki ima dostop do članov britanske kraljeve družine. Prepričala jih je svojo organsko kozmetiko Heaven, ki temelji na osnovi čebeljega strupa. Pravi, da si njeno nego največkrat zaželita Kate Middleton in Camilla Parker Bowles.
I feel very honoured that I'm allowed to go into all the palaces in England. They are the most loveliest people, and the royal family are very, very kind. It's lovely to do treatments on them, yes. Victoria Beckham first telephoned me when I was out shopping saying, I love your Age Defiance moisturiser, and it helped her skin.
I heard that you created a special line just for her, just for Victoria.
Yeah.
That was then a huge success also on the market.
It was, yes, and people from all over the world kept on contacting, and that was before I treated the royal family.
In prav zato danes njen obraz ves čas krasi širok nasmeh, saj ji je uspelo in zanjo velja, da česar se dotakne, se spremeni v zlato. Razlog, zakaj je pred 25 leti sploh začela, pa je sila preprost.
I had bad acne, so I wanted something to make my skin better. And there wasn't anything on the market, and so I invented it.
In s svojim poslom je Debora kmalu postala multimilijonarka, ki kljub bogastvu in uspehu ostaja na realnih tleh.
I can do anything now, and everything is a success. I just love doing what I do.
In prav zato delo na terenu še naprej opravlja sama, pa čeprav je do tretmaja, ki ga naredi Debora osebno, skoraj nemogoče priti. Od Slovenga je bila recimo deležna le glasbenica Nejša, ki pravi, da Debora svojo terapijo preprosto dela čudeže.